welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. Today I have a quick Coach unboxing. They finally came. Yes, I ordered another Coach notebook and pencil case. And no, I didn't need another, I'm aware. But I had to get it. I saw these on my beautiful friend Dazzle Me 77's channel. I will link her on the bottom, and I'll link the video of her unboxing these pieces. Actually, she got more pieces than I did, but after I saw it on her video, I had to have them because they're so beautiful, and I didn't even know these had dropped, so I was so excited to see them. Middle of her video, I paused, I ordered them and I went back to her video. So, thank you, sweetheart, for sharing these Coach pieces. She has a lot of wonderful Coach videos out, so go give her a like and subscribe and say Tera sent me. And I want to say thank you to her for showing these pieces. Honestly, they're so beautiful. Let's jump right in. I don't know why lately Coach has been sending me packages like this. Literally open, and one of my pieces is actually stuck to the, to it. Look at this. I don't know what's going on with their production. But okay, so I ordered 3 pieces. It is a silver set Coach notebook, and of course the pencil case, and I ordered the little wristlet as well. I had to have it. Yeah, this is really bad packaging and open on one side. I mean, really bad. Okay, so we have here, it's called the pencil case, color silver, metallic, and ash. That's what it's called. This one again, silver, metallic, and ash. And then this little piece is the corner zip wristlet. Again, silver, metallic, and ash. Okay, I just want to get those out of the way because then I'll forget. But let's jump right in. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, so my lighting is pretty bad, but on camera it's coming out better from what I'm seeing. Look at that. Silver, wow, right? Oh, I had to have it. Thank you so much, Dazzle. I don't want to say her real name. Dazzle, for showing these pieces. Wow, I mean, look at that. It's even giving me a kind of purple hue to it for some reason. I think it's the lighting in here. If I go outside, it's probably going to be nice and silvery. But this is the corner zip. Real quick. Ooh, inside is black. I love that. So this has, of course, you can't tell because it's so black, 2 card areas right here, and then open in the middle. Zips only halfway around. I do wish it came all the way. That would have made it a little bit more handy, but it's alright. Has the wristlet. Again, silver and ash. This is their newest, I believe. I haven't seen anybody else show other ones, so this must be their newest. I wish they did gold. That would be awesome. Did they do gold? Someone let me know. Is there a gold out there so I could jump on there and get it? Look at that. Beautiful. I just finished up putting all my journals down there on the stand, and this isn't even going to fit. I haven't even used some of the new ones I got. My Disney one, my Ox Blood, and oh my gosh, so many. The purple. I love these. For me, I collect these instead of the Coach bags because Coach is also a leather bag since I already have my Dooneys. It's a lot harder for me to take care of a lot of different leather bags, so I choose to just do the bags and Dooney. Unless it's a Coach piece I really like. I do have a couple of Coaches down here, but I do rather enjoy getting some of their accessory pieces like this, just to have in my collection. And I love to mix and match. If you guys watch my what's in my bag videos, you'll see I do mix and match all my brands together. I mean, they all go together beautifully. Look at this. The pencil case. Again, silver, metallic, ash. Wow, and the zipper, silver. It has embossed Coach on there. Yeah, I'm getting a purpley hue from this. I think it's my lighting. It's really bad. It is silver. Love it. And here, a black color. Let's see. Sometimes they have that dark red. Oh yeah, it's black. Perfect. Oh, that's so classy. Love it. Silver color zipper. Love it. They are still on there, guys. If you want to run to Coach right now, pick them up. And the journal. Yeah, this was a quick, very quick unboxing. I just jumped on here to show you guys my newest. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh, wow. I love it. Love it. Now, I would love to have the gold. Anybody know? Is there a gold? Let me know. Wow. Wow, this is so beautiful. Robert, can you see it?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Isn't it beautiful? Silver. I'm not even a silver kind of person. In my elements, I like gold, even rose gold before silver, but this was beautiful. When I saw it on her video, I'm telling you, stopped halfway. Wow. Black interior. Again, the hardware on this is silver. This is beautiful. I'm going to bring it close so you guys can see. Man, this lighting is really bad, but yeah, look here, right here. Silver. This is going to go so nice with all my cooler tone bags. I can't wait to jump in there. So there you have it, guys. Right here it says Coach on bust. My newest Coach collection. I hope you enjoyed watching. And again, if you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. Please go check out my friend DazzleMe77's channel. Of course, if you're watching me, you know her. But for those who might not know, I am going to link it. Her channel. Go look at her beautiful, beautiful Coach videos. Her What's in My Bag videos. She loves to really do nice, detailed What's in My Bag videos. For those of you who enjoy actually watching the ins and outs of the What's in My Bag videos. She's really good. She's one of my favorites. Love her. So here it is, guys. The silver metallic. Let me say that right. I'm probably saying it wrong. Silver metallic. Yeah. And ash. Coach. I will come a little forward so I can turn off my video. Thank you all for stopping by. If you're new here, please subscribe. Hit that notification. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye. Let me come closer so you can see it. There it is. Thanks. Bye.